Do you want to create amazing text messages on WhatsApp as the ones that you see here on the screen, so you can stand out from other people inside groups or just create special messages for other people? Welcome, and in this video I will show you exactly how you can write on WhatsApp by using the bold text, using the italic text, using the sys informatic code style, then how you can use the straight-through text with a line in the middle of the text, and then also how you can mix all those together in order to create something like this. And it's very simple. You just need to open your WhatsApp app and then follow those simple codes. Let's jump in my phone. So, welcome in my phone. Today we are here to show you exactly how you can create bold text, italic, and with the line or mixed or bold italic or code style text on WhatsApp. You can do everything just by typing the right code. So first thing, in order to make a bold text, as you see the first message, you just need to use this character here, write your text, hello, and then add another one. And as you can see here on the preview, it's already bold, and then you can send it. Then, if you want to make it italic, you simply use the underscore here, text italic, and then you close using the underscore again, and then you send it. And as you can see, this is italic. And just to show you that it's very different, this is normal text. As you can see, it's very different between the normal and the bold and the italic. Then we can create a mix. For example, we can create bold and italic, bold, italic, and then we close the italic because, as you can see, it's near the text, and then we close the bold, and right now it's bold and italic. Then you can create a straight line between the text, as you can see here in the message mix. And in order to do that, you just need to use this character right here and then write line in the middle of text, for example, and then you close it. And as you can see on the preview, it's already working. So this is a text with the line. And then we have this style right here that I call it code style. And in order to do the code style, you need to use this one right here 1, 2, 3 times, and then you place your text, for example, code message, and then you need to do the same thing in order to close. And as you can see, is changing. And you can choose the combination that you want. Let's say, for example, that we want to make a bold, italic, and straight line text. In order to do that, and in order to create a mix, we need just simply to add the bold tag, the italic tag, and the line tag. Then we write mix, and then we close it. We close this one, then we close the italic, and then we close the bold. And as you can see, this is a mix. And by using this type of character inside your WhatsApp messages, you can really change up the message, change the font, make it bold, italic, straight through, or whatever you want. It's up to you. So as you have just seen, this is exactly how you can create those type of messages in WhatsApp for free without even installing other apps or simply downloading some other stuff. Nothing crazy. You just need to use the right code, the right symbol, the right character at the beginning of the text and then at the end in order to make your text stand out. And you can use this type of skill, this trick when you send business messages, or maybe when you need to create a list, or when you need to do something really professional, or just simply if you want to stand out in groups and make your messages stand out from other people. You just need to use this very simple strategy. For example, I use this trick when I need to send something to clients, when I need to create a header or a title for my text, or maybe if I need to write something italic because it's the name of an app, of a city, of something that is not like the other words in the text. But I use that very often in my work environment. But if you like social media, watch this next video right here where I show you how you can make a lot of money on Telegram. I see you there.